Today we are going to discuss about a topic, aspects of folk arts and aesthetics. So I would like your attention towards my lecture. Uh, Basically, the folk arts is one of the major elements in folk culture studies. There are four types: intangible cultural heritage, and tangible cultural heritage, folk performing arts, and religion and rituals. This topic will be dealing about the folk performing arts. I take the word folk performing arts as folk arts. So this class fully based on the folk arts and aesthetics. Folk arts, basically, there are so many views about folk arts, but I would like to emphasize only two views. One is the socio-cultural elements, another one is religion elements. This is one element. This is combined into one element. And another type of, another aspects known as dance forms and the theater forms. Another one is ballad form. Let us deal about these three. The last side, the three: the dance and the theater and the ballad. A dance, the word itself says it's basically it's based on movements, dance forms. The whole art forms all are under the dance movements. The second one is theater forms, deals about, the dramatic person A will be dealing the performing arts. The third one is ballad form, in which the story is sung. Basically, the art forms is based on ballad. Ballad is nothing but the story which is sung in the form of ballad. It's a long episode. It could be a long episode or multi-episode. So let us come to the final discussion about arts and aesthetics. Arts and aesthetics is nothing but philosophy of arts. Philosophy is an integral part of cultural elements. So when we study about the arts and aesthetics in our cultural traits, then only we can understand what is there in the art forms as well as the artist, the socio-cultural elements of the art forms. So the socio-cultural means it includes the arts and artists' welfare as well as their needs in the cultural context. So far we have discussed about the arts and aesthetics, in another word, aspects of folk arts and aesthetics in folk cultural studies. Thank you.